Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil gain 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
November was a month of clear winners and losers from Trump's US election victory. Trump trades, punishing tariff-sensitive assets from European exporters to Mexico's peso, and driving investment toward US stocks and the dollar proved successful. Wall Street has rallied. The dollar gained 2% against rival major currencies and Bitcoin surged. Cryptocurrency hackers continue damaging the industry's reputation as the yearly value stolen through cyber attacks nears $1.5 billion. Crypto hackers stole over $71 million worth of digital assets during November, according to latest reports. The euro dipped against the dollar as traders reined in bets of more interest rate cuts by the European Central Bank, while broader currency moves were muted in US holiday-thinned trading.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The economic calendar is packed with impactful events, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your investment strategy.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.